Hello and welcome to the Financial Sigma. Today, we're going to be talking about how to start a profitable blog. Starting a blog can be a great way to share your thoughts, ideas, and experiences with the world. But with so many blogs out there, how do you make yours stand out and actually make money? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll go over the steps to start a profitable blog from scratch. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first thing you need to do is choose a niche for your blog. A niche is a specific topic or area of focus that your blog will cover. It's important to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a large enough audience to sustain your blog. Do some research and see what topics are popular and in demand. When choosing a niche, consider the following. Your interests and passions. Choose a niche that you are genuinely interested in and enjoy writing about. This will make the blogging process more enjoyable for you and help you produce better content. Audience size. Make sure there is a large enough audience for your niche. This will help ensure that you have a steady stream of visitors to your blog. You can do some keyword research to see how many people are searching for information on your chosen topic. Competition. Consider the level of competition in your chosen niche. If there are already a lot of well-established blogs in your niche, it may be harder for you to stand out and attract readers. On the other hand, a niche with little competition may be less profitable. Profit potential. Think about whether there is potential to make money in your chosen niche. Are there products or services that you can promote, or are there opportunities for advertising or sponsored content? Keep in mind that it's okay to have a niche that is not overly broad, but rather focused on a specific subtopic. This can make it easier to establish yourself as an authority in your field and attract a dedicated audience. Step 2. Choose a blogging platform. There are a number of different blogging platforms to choose from, including WordPress, Blogger, and Squarespace. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so it's important to do your research and choose the one that best fits your needs. When choosing a blogging platform, consider the following. Ease of use. Some blogging platforms are more user-friendly than others. If you are new to blogging, you may want to choose a platform that is easy to navigate and has a user-friendly interface. Customization options. Consider whether the platform allows you to customize the design and layout of your blog to your liking. This can help you create a unique and visually appealing website. Features and functionality. Think about the features and functionality that you need for your blog. Do you need a platform that allows you to schedule posts in advance, or do you need e-commerce capabilities to sell products? Cost. Different blogging platforms have different pricing structures. Some are free to use, while others charge a fee for certain features or add-ons. Determine your budget and choose a platform that fits your needs and budget. Some popular blogging platforms include WordPress. WordPress is a popular and powerful blogging platform that offers a wide range of features and customization options. It is free to use, but you will need to pay for hosting and a domain name. Blogger. Blogger is a free blogging platform owned by Google. It is easy to use and has a range of customizable templates and features. However, it may not be as powerful or flexible as some other platforms. Squarespace. Squarespace is a paid blogging platform that offers a range of customizable templates and features. It is known for its sleek and modern designs, but may not be as flexible as some other platforms. Ultimately, the right blogging platform for you will depend on your needs and preferences. Do your research and choose the one that best fits your goals for your blog. Step 3. Choose a domain name and hosting. Once you've chosen a blogging platform, you'll need to choose a domain name and hosting for your blog. Your domain name is the web address that people will use to access your blog. It's important to choose a memorable and easy to spell domain name. Hosting is essentially the home for your blog on the internet. It's where your website files are stored and served to visitors. There are a number of hosting options available, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. Step 4. Design your blog. Now it's time to make your blog look visually appealing. Choose a theme that fits the aesthetic and tone of your blog. You can either use a free theme or purchase a premium theme. When designing your blog, consider the following. Branding. Choose a theme that reflects the branding and style of your blog. This includes the color scheme, font, and overall aesthetic. User experience. Make sure the design of your blog is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Use clear headings, bullet points, and white space to make your content easy to read. Mobile responsiveness. In today's digital age, it's important to make sure your blog is mobile friendly. Choose a theme that is responsive and looks good on all devices, including phones and tablets. Customization options. Consider whether the theme allows you to customize the design to your liking. This can include adding your own logo, changing the layout, and adding custom widgets and features. Step 5. Create quality content. The most important aspect of your blog is the content. Your content should be well written, informative, and engaging. Consistently publishing high-quality content will help you attract and retain readers. Write for your audience. Make sure your content is relevant and useful to your target audience. Consider what they are interested in and what problems they may be trying to solve. Be informative and useful. Your content should provide value to your readers. It should be informative, well-researched, and provide solutions to problems or questions they may have. Be engaging. In addition to being informative, your content should also be engaging. Use storytelling, humor, and personal anecdotes to make your content more relatable and interesting to your readers. Use visuals. Visuals, such as images and videos, can make your content more appealing and easier to understand. Use them to break up long blocks of text and add interest to your blog. Use headlines and subheadings. Headlines and subheadings help break up your content and make it easier for readers to scan and understand. Use descriptive and compelling headlines to draw readers in and use subheadings to organize your content. Edit and proofread. Make sure to carefully edit and proofread your content before publishing it. Poorly written content can turn off readers and damage your credibility. Step 6. Promote your blog. Now that you have a blog with quality content, it's time to get the word out. There are a number of ways to promote your blog, including social media, guest posting, and search engine optimization, SEO. Step 7. Monetize your blog. Finally, it's time to start making money from your blog. There are a number of ways to monetize your blog, including advertising, sponsored content, and selling products or services. And that's it. With these 7 steps, you'll be well on your way to starting a profitable blog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.